Hey guys, so here's the part 2 of my video for the Intellivision. Like you guys can see, very simple board. I'm sure, obviously, these IC chips, they definitely have gold in them. Right here, some IC chips. Inside the, I guess the video part of the system here, nothing really special in here, but there is some tiny bits of copper. Really nothing special in all of this. Some cable. I'm pretty sure there's more. Yeah, there's IC chips here under these aluminum heat sinks. And like I said, the gold in here where the cartridge goes. Other than that, not much. So overall, in an Intellivision, which is also not surprising because of the age, very simple, low-grade board, tiny bit of copper, some gold, some copper here, copper-bearing motor. Over here, you got your power supply, some more aluminum, some cabling. Very, very basic. So, should you scrap it? I'd say no, unless it's completely damaged. People might buy these for parts, obviously, since they're not very common to find. So people might want the casings, maybe the cabling. So overall,